Another key player arrived in 2015, Daniel Indelicato. Hired by Shane for product development, Daniel brought energy and innovation. He rose to VP of production in 2022 and became Centurion's president in 2023.
Culture is what drives not only results on the backside, but culture drives the morale on your team. It drives the unity. So when you provide a culture like we have now, and culture is kind of a loose term, I think, out there in the industry, but our culture is a very family-oriented culture. You know, we understand that, you know, not only do we want to give back to the community locally, we want to give back to our employees. And so again, you know, looking at the cultural perspective of what this company provides, and it's not just us, it's Correct Craft in general, and they really help drive the culture from the top. Internally, we have our own culture that may be different than in other companies within the Correct Craft umbrella, but our culture is really good, and we really care about each other.
My main goal when I started was to try and focus and to really boil it down to what is the thing that we do. And at first, you know, it started with we were the world's best wake surf boat. We were the world's best. We were the one that towed worlds, we still tow worlds. And so therefore, in my opinion, at the time, we were the world's best. And we tried to educate and keep everyone informed about what these boats did differently than everybody else's. And focusing on that really helped us because we focused on we were the best, waves, wakes, and ride. And even to this day, you know, the evolution of a wake boat is kind of what we hang our hat on now, but we still use that same verbiage in a lot of stuff that we put out. And that's what we want people to take is from any conversation that we have the world's best waves, wakes, and ride.